My summer playlist.
My summertime station.
We want to know how you do summer.
My perfect summer day on the beach with a surfboard, no school.
Shopping, for sure.
All the hits, all summer.
This is Pink.
Hey, my name is Bibi Rexa.
Hi, I'm Enrique Iglesias.
Soundtrack for the summer.
Ladies and gentlemen, 89.5.
My radio station.
All your hits, all summer.
Hey, this is Mike Posner.
This is Pink.
I am G-Eazy.
This is summer.
89.5.
My Subic Bay Radio.
Hello, everyone. This is Paul Sapira, and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
And thanks to you too, Kuya Paul Sapiera, 895 Subic Bay Radio. And for those who don't know who's Paul Sapiera, well, medyo mahirap sabihin those who don't know eh. Kilalang kilala to eh. He was the lead vocalist of the band Rockstar. Alright? And he's from the city of Olongapo. Ayan, si Kuya Paul. You know who's making waves? Yung son niya, yung anak niya ngayon, si Easy Mill, which was signed by Eminem to a record deal, in case you don't know. That's how awesome the Sapiera DNA is in music. Okay? Kuya Paul Sapiera, I hope you're doing fine. So, final shoutouts for our friends. Yung mga nagbe-birthday nga pala, no? Mga kaibigan natin nag-birthday. Yung ate ko, my dear ate. Ayan, si Ate Tess from Iba Zambales. Birthday niya kahapon, 5 de Mayo. Pasensya na, walang broadcast greetings dahil alam mo naman, walang morning brew pag Saturday and Sunday, day off natin. So, ngayon ang pagbati. Hindi pala kami nang babati, nang gigreet lang. Greet na lang, greet. Tinigil na po namin yung pambabati. Dati kasi nang babati kami, kaya lang madaming nasasarapan masyado. Hindi nakaka-move on. Greet na lang. Happy birthday, our dear Ate Tess. We miss you, ha? We miss you. Lalo na si Little Tommy. Miss na miss ka na si Wunso. Ayan, pati si Kuya Rain Racela. Ayan, nag-birthday din kahapon. Oh, wala akong utang, Kuya Rain, ha? happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Kahapon yung birthday din niya. May 5, 2024. And isa pang kaibigan natin na nag-birthday din kahapon, si Ate Syra Jane, na isang musikerong gapo din. Ayan, okay? Ang magaling na singer, na maganda, na si Ate Syra Jane. Happy birthday to you, May 5. May 5 din po, kahapon din. Yes, okay? Ito naman, medyo malayo-layo, May 1. Oh, hindi ko nabati kasi hindi ko nadaanan eh. No? Medyo busy tong mamang to eh. Ngayon lang ako inad sa Facebook eh. Si Kuya Joel Alfonso, nakabatch natin nung high school. Ayan. Paring Joel, happy birthday ha, pahabol. May 1, you really made your mom labor. Alright, happy birthday Kuya Joel. Okay. Uy, guys, yung mga may kotse, may mga chikot, may mga motor, may mga anything, mga motorista, kung anik-anik pa. I found something interesting and something for you to try. Okay? The SK Zik Oil. Ayan, motor oil. Tsaka yung FB battery and GT tire. Ayan, okay. Subukan nyo. Kung di nyo pa nasusubukan itong mga ito, subukan nyo, ha? Diba? Minsan kasi hindi natin alam na yung mga hindi pa natin nasusubukan na produkto or brand, yung pala yung the best, no? Akala natin masyado tayong naging loyal dun sa mga nakasanayan natin, pero kailangan try mo rin yung iba, syempre, di ba? SK Zik Oil for motorcycle oil, for truck oil, and car oil. Ayan. Try nyo po, SK Zik. SK tapos ZIC. ZIC, motor oil. Okay? And FB battery and GT tire. Ayan. Okay, yan tatlong yan. Iisa lang ang distributor na ipapakilala ko sa inyo. Ang gwapong-gwapong si Kuya Ramon Christopher Guevara. He is the area sales manager. If you're interested, call or text him up 0915-892-5277. 0933-134 excuse me. Ayan. I think yung throat ko kailangan ng motor oil, ng SK Zik. Motor oil. Maaligas-gas na. Ayan. For Sun Cellular, 0933-134-1390. Okay? This is the best sa mga no? Yung mga may motor shop, motor car and car parts sales. Try nyo, di ba? Try nyo po. Baka malay nyo at maging bagong paborito to ng mga suki ninyo. GT tire, FB battery, and SK Zik. ZIC motor oil. Okay? So once again, call or text Si Kuya Ramon Christopher Guevara Dapogi, the area sales manager. 0915-892-5277 and 0933-134-1390. Ayan, subukan. Sabi nga, di ba, yung mga marketing tagline, subukan ng mapatunayan. Tsaka meron din yung mura na, nauutang pa. Alright, that's about it for me. Maraming salamat. Thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. And thank you for keeping me in the background. I'll be back tomorrow. Siyempre naman, ang The Morning Brew Show here on 895 Subic Bay Radio, Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay? And speaking of Kuya Paul Sapiera, my final song is gonna be from him. This is his version of the song, Endless Rain, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here and enjoy the rest of your Monday. Happy Monday, people.